Hey guys, in today's video we're uncovering some of the most useful hidden Google AI features that many people don't even know exist in 2026. These tools can help you save time, boost productivity, and get more done with Google's AI. So let's get started. First, there's Gemini Live. Instead of typing, you can have a natural voice conversation with Gemini. You can ask follow-up questions, brainstorm ideas, or get help with complex topics, just like you're talking to a real assistant. Another hidden feature is deep research. Instead of searching multiple websites yourself, Gemini can gather information, organize it into a structured report, and provide sources to help you research topics much faster. Next is AI in Google Workspace. Many users don't realize that Google AI can summarize long emails in Gmail, write documents in Docs, create presentations in Slides, and even analyze data in Sheets. These features can save hours of manual work every week. If you're a developer, don't overlook Google AI Studio. It lets you test Gemini models, generate code, build AI apps, and experiment with prompts without setting up a complicated development environment. Another powerful feature is Notebook LM. You can upload PDFs, notes, research papers, or documents, then ask questions about them. It can summarize information, explain difficult concepts, and even help generate study guides. For Android users, Google AI also powers features like Circle to Search, Magic Editor, Live Translate, and AI-assisted writing. These tools are built directly into supported devices, but many users never explore them. Finally, remember that Google continues adding new AI features throughout 2026. Checking the latest updates in Gemini, Google Workspace, and AI Studio can help you discover even more tools that improve your workflow. So, if you've only been using Google AI for simple questions, you're missing out on a lot of powerful capabilities. Exploring these hidden features can make studying, coding, writing, and content creation much faster and easier. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, tips, and the latest Google AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.